Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, let's go ahead and review what we've done on this series before we get started on the next. I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we are. It's tomorrow. Thank you for being patient and being with me. We just got a few finishing hits here and there to do. We're just going to pull this just like this. If I get the thing pointed right in my hands. Okay, see? We're just pulling a little bit of foliage up here and over there. Okay, just like that. We're just letting it scrape off. But we're not going overboard with it. See? This just kind of defines where the road is. We'll put a little out here. This just gives this thing called texture and motion. There's texture and motion. When I do this, I dip it in the paint and then I tap it on the tissue. So we get rid of these great, big, huge drops of paint which could ruin our day. Okay, so now we'll put a few in here. We're not trying to paint individual pieces of grass or anything else. And we'll come down here to water. Okay, we'll just bury that water like that. Okay? We started off with a very, very nice drawing. We put the sky in, we let the white be the white. In the clouds, we used some cerulean blue, and then we used a little bit of mauve up in there. We put the trees in light side first, then we went to medium, and then we went to dark. Okay, and that worked quite well for us. Now, that's how we do it in watercolor, light to dark, okay? And then it was a matter of just pulling in these other areas as we got to them. We kept the painting light, which was really something we wanted to do. We didn't use a bunch of dark colors to kill everything off. So I hope you follow along with this. I hope you paint it, and for goodness sakes, I hope you've enjoyed watching the process. So be with me tomorrow and we'll start another project. And until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Okay, we've got another series in the books. Tomorrow, we're going to start something new. Be with me then. And remember, in the meantime, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.